Want to turn AI into a side income? Here's how to make money with ChatGPT and Claude for passive income. Start by opening ChatGPT or Claude AI and beginning a new project. Decide what you want to create: blogs, YouTube scripts, ebooks, AI-powered templates, or prompt packs. Use AI to generate content or tools efficiently. Next, publish your outputs on platforms where people will pay for them. For example, post articles on a monetized blog, sell ebooks on Amazon, share AI templates on Gumroad or Etsy, or provide services like automated social media posting. Finally, set up ways to earn recurring revenue. Use ads, subscriptions, or sales funnels to turn your AI-generated content into a source of passive income. The key is to focus on scalable projects that keep earning even when you're not actively working. Now you know a simple, actionable way to use ChatGPT and Claude AI to earn passive income. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.